If you want to search for a song on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can use circle to search. So if you press and hold your finger on the home button, if you have buttons for navigation, or if you have gestures for navigation instead, you can press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom of the screen in order to activate circle to search. So after opening this overlay, we can use this music note icon, and then we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title in Google search results. So if you are somewhere and you can hear a song that you wish to know the title of, you can just use this feature to get the song title. Besides that, instead of activating circle search just like that in the way that I had shown you just now, you can also go to the control center, and over here we can use edit in order to add the song search button to the control center. So we can press this plus button in here in order to add it to the control center, use this check in the upper right corner, and if you tap on this button, then you will immediately open the song search feature, the music recognition feature, which might be a little bit faster and more convenient to use than circle to search. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel.